you were doing. Stop it! It's so gross.
There are 2 new Easter eggs in the Tesla, and I'm going to show them to you today. A couple years ago, Elon Musk dropped the dancing Model X Christmas show, which was incredible. Last year, he dropped Santa driving down the freeway on a sleigh, and whenever you signaled, it would make noise. So today I want to show you the Easter eggs, but also prank the family because they don't know what it is yet. So I'm going to try to individually bring them out and get their reactions to it. This year's doesn't have Santa in it, and it doesn't have dancing car, but it has something that I think is even better. All right, so there's the new Easter eggs. You see one right there that's a whoopee cushion, and one right there that's a fire. So if you push the fire one, the air just turned on. Oh, hey! I think the heat just turned on in the car. I heard it on because I had just turned off the air. Now the air is turned on in the car. There's a crackling fire noise over the speakers, and there's a beautiful flaming log on my car. That's pretty cool. What? Oh! Listen to that music when you touch it. What is this song? I don't think I could play this in the YouTube video, but I guess it's a romantic song. Okay, so that's it. That's what it does. Pretty funny. Oh, and my seat warmer turned on. I can feel it. Okay, so it turned on my seat warmer. It turned on the hot air. It had crackling music. Once you touched the screen, it played a romantic song and it had the fire going. That's pretty cool, Elon. I like it. I like it. That is a good Christmas holiday romantic feel. I like it. The next one is the farting one. You have a few options, fart on demand or fart on turn signal. Let's try fart on turn signal. Let's try it again. Oh, what? Yeah. I don't know why, but it's Tesla. Oh, and if you want, you can choose the type of farts that you want. Okay, how about not a fart? Okay, how about short shorts ripper? How about fancy Falcon Heavy? That's a big one. Okay. Ludicrous. Oh wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. A little whistle at the end of it. And as I move it, it changes position in the car. What is this? And how did they come up with the idea to put a whoopee cushion and farts in there? And who had to go through and decide what the names were going to be and what the sounds were going to be? Did they actually have their engineers make these noises? Or do they buy these off of somebody? There's a lot of questions that I have about this fart Easter egg. I'm going to strategically place this right here in the back. I'm going to have Leslie sit in the front, Lincoln sit in the back, and I'm going to push the button and see if Leslie will think that it's Lincoln that did the fart. Okay, and she'll be super embarrassed. She's super proper, very proper, especially when it comes to kids farting. She's not a big fan, especially if it was on a YouTube video. She wouldn't be so happy that her kids made that noise. So I'm hoping that it works. I'm gonna turn that off, and then I'm gonna have them come in and see if we can do this. It's prank time. What's inside Family Prank? Okay, guys, I want to show you the new romantic mode in the car.
What? Romantic mode?
Yeah, come on. Lincoln, come on. Yeah, I was testing it out. Make sure I could figure it out.
I'm excited.
You excited?
Yeah, I've never tried it.
Yeah.
I didn't even know they had that one.
Oh no, these are 2 new modes. There's 2 new ones that just came in.
Okay.
You bringing the dog?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Mama, you sit in the front. Lincoln, sit in the back. Okay, there's a new mode that is super romantic. It's like a fire one. Okay, you turn it on and it does like a fire, and then it heats up the seat for you and everything. It's really cool.
That's fun.
What's that?
Is it dog?
What'd she do?
I don't know.
Coughed? Shouldn't call.
What did she do?
I don't know. I think it might have been the car or like the door because I just rolled up the window or something.
She stink?
No?
Did she do it?
Heard something.
No, same.
Okay, so back to the video. It's a romantic one. Let's be romantic back there, Lincoln. Come on.
Oh,
Lincoln!
That's what it is.
What?
What was it?
That's what it is.
It's you?
Oh my.
Did
That's
you
what it is.
toot?
Lincoln.
Lincoln, that's so inappropriate. Did you really? Was that really? Oh! Stop it! Stop it!
So I figured it out. Like right before you did the
Lincoln.
second one. I was like, wait, is that
I
the mode?
totally thought you were doing. Stop it! It's so gross.
So
So check it out. There's a whoopee cushion app on here now. And you push the button.
My gosh.
And I strategically put it on Lincoln's seat, but let's put it on Mom's.
Don't
Mom,
do
that
it.
was disgusting.
Stop it.
So there's a few different ones.
Oh my gosh.
Short Shorts Ripper. There's a Falcon Heavy.
That was heavy, Mom.
Ludicrous Fart.
Oh my gosh. Stop. Okay.
There's a Neurostink.
Oh.
And there's Boring Fart. That's a bit of a whistle to it.
Oh my word. I was not expecting that. I really thought it was gonna. Do they have like a fire for here and warm up your seats? That's what I was excited
She
about.
was excited about the fire. Yes, there is a fire
Okay.
on here. Go ahead and push it.
Oh, that's cute. But they should do like music in the background. It has the sound even. That's cute.
Oh, you want the music? Okay.
Oh,
Oh, that's not the music.
oh stop.
You can play it with music.
Okay, but
That's
people don't know
awesome.
that. Like, I'm very against tooting in public.
That
Or in
is
private.
so funny.
Or in
Will you
private.
put it on someone's seat?
Yeah.
Like if they're like in the car, just like randomly someone's in the
Yeah.
car, you could just do it and we'll all get mad at them.
That would
and
be
they'll
really
like,
funny.
That would be so
I
good.
don't know why it makes me laugh so much. It makes me really uncomfortable.
She's so uncomfortable. This is a winner. Elon, you got a hit on your hands. This is a good one.
Do it again.
We should do it with the girl.
Do you want to see more people pranked by the farting noise in here? Actually, it's not called farting. Let's be appropriate here.
Tooting.
No,
We
it's
don't
not
call
called
it fart.
tooting. This thing is called emissions testing mode.
It says fart on demand.
Oh yeah, it's fart on demand. Or you could have it for your blinker.
No.
I should have just turned it on your
No.
car and you wouldn't have known.
When you turn on your blinker,
For our turn
he's
signal.
such a little kid.
That's what I should have done for the joke.
Oh
Like I was saying this at the boring event. I don't think I put it on camera. Elon would be a good YouTuber.
Yeah,
Because
he
he's
would.
funny. He has this like creative, weird things that he does. Here's another example of it. Let's prank more people. For a minute, Mommy needs you at home really quick. We'll bring you right back.
Okay, I'm just gonna run over it.
No, just come in the car.
No, I'm
No,
not.
I want you to ride in the car. Come on. Just for a minute, we'll come right back. We'll drop you back off.
Dad, I feel like you're up to something.
Yeah, I'm filming a video.
Yeah.
I'm filming our day today. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay, so, oh, don't let the dog out.
Who let the dog out the window?
Who let the dogs out?
I know that's not how it goes.
Okay, alright. What in the
Who's that?
world?
That was nasty.
That's
Claire,
not
was that you?
That's...
Claire, what the heck was that?
Lincoln, wait, what is this?
What is what?
Claire, what did you do? That was nasty. It's gonna stink up the whole car.
Oh, yes!
Claire!
Oh, look, I'm sitting back here now. It's under the chair. It's under the chair. Oh, it's the chair. What?
Claire, what did you do?
I saw
Claire!
Stop farting, Claire! It's gross! Stop it! No, look, I am sitting right here. Listen. It's that.
Look, it's a new farting thing on the car. It's not you, Claire, don't worry.
That's so weird.
What do you think about that?
That's awesome. I was not on the seat, but...
Yeah, get out of here, girls. Get your stinky bums out of here.
It's on me! Goodbye, Daddy!
Bye.
It's magic, it's a ghost!
Like, part of me is excited to show the world, which I know there's a lot of Tesla owners that are getting this out here. But the other part of me is like, don't show the world and then just prank people when I get them in the car. That sounds fun too.
Yeah, it's true.
Here, Lincoln. Come on.
Oh,
Lincoln!
That's what it is.
What